Day 2. Ay, bigla ka namang umalis. Day 2. Day 2 outfit. Okay, lalabas na ulit kami ng... Hindi na makalabas. Ayun na. Tulak mo. Labas na kami ng Sapa Homestay. So, umuulan pala today. Maghanap na kami ng kakainan ng breakfast kasi hindi kami nakaabot sa free breakfast. May free breakfast kasi. Breakfast muna kami sa katabi lang ng hotel. Grabe, nakakagulat sa serving nila dito. Meron pa kaming in-order pang isa. Ito na. Grabe, nakakalula yung serving nila. Good for 2 lang. Bali, in-order namin, dalawa lang. Isang hot pot, tapos isang fried rice with beef. Yung fried rice, okay lang, kasi 1 serving lang naman. Yan. Pero yung hot pot nila, grabe. Langgana. Tapos, grabe yung presentation nila dito. Yung place. Pero usually, hindi sila nag-ask ng tip, no? Tulad sa bar kahapon, kagabi, walang tip, walang service fee. Tingnan yung presentation. Pati yung simpleng fried rice, oh. Let's eat. Sa kasamaang palad, hindi namin kayang ubusin. Sobrang dami na serving. So inubos lang namin yung meat, yung fish meat. Fried rice hindi ko naubos. Yung mga noodles hindi namin naubos. Magulay hindi kaya. Masarap siya, actually. Sobrang sarap. Fresh yung meat. Tapos yung soup masarap. Tapos kakaiba yung soup nila. May halong, ano?
Pineapple. May siya sa kinchay. Kinchay mo sila to.
Kinchay. Lagi sila may complimentary na green. Sa ibang tables ang dami. Ay, natigyan niya may pineapple. Kaso sobrang dami. First meal of the day pa lang namin to.
Half day na.
First meal pa lang, half day na namin kinain. So, punta pa kaming... Anong puntahan natin? Cat Village. Cat. Hindi pa namin alam kung mag-motorbike kami. Kasi medyo maambon pa. The food is good. It's delicious, all of it, but... She said it's for 2, but I think it's for 2 families.
Yeah. Actually, you stay in the Ali homestay and we make the food a little bit more.
Oh, okay, okay.
So it's everything.
And also we didn't talk about breakfast earlier, right?
Yeah. Tonight or tomorrow you
Yes.
come here for eat. We did come here 20%.
Okay.
Yes. And the bill now it costs 795.
Okay, 795.
Yeah.
Okay. Again, how much is this, the hot pot?
A hot pot is 700.
700.
Yeah.
Okay, and this fried rice?
75.
75.
Yeah. And the water 20.
Okay, 120.
Yeah.
10 each.
Yeah.
Okay, 700.
What's up?
What's up?
Okay. Is it possible give me the picture Because
Yeah.
the food take a picture is nice.
1, 2, 3. Ayan. At pagtapos namin kumain, bigla namang nagdatingan yung iba pang customers.
How about this one? 100.
Binigyan kami ng freebie ni Manang. Hihi. Si Manang Yeti Faye. Sabi niya, name niya daw T-Faye. Di ko alam kung ano ibig sabihin nun. Pero tinturo niya yung ngipin niyang bungi. Sabi niya, T-Faye, T-Faye. Cute ni Manang. Ito, hindi niya to tinitinda. Pero may dumaan dito nagtitinda nito. Bumili siya, tapos binigyan kami. Bait. Bukod sa prutas, binigyan niya pa kami ng another previous na bracelet. Tapos hindi namin napansin, tumila na pala yung ulan. Yun, makakalis kami ng hindi magkakapote. Cat Village na kami next. Let's go!